Hello everyone, this is Anthony on Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today we got a brave listener who writes, I was giving a seminar presentation at my university, and suddenly I started hyperventilating. Ever since then, I freeze up whenever I have to speak in front of people. I feel like a failure. Wow, that sounds really tough. But let's start by saying this. You are not alone, and you are far from a failure. First, let's talk about what happened that day. When you hyperventilated, your body hit the fight or flight. Therefore, it's a breathing sped up, and your brain sent you into panic mode. It's an ancient safety system, even if it misfires sometimes. Remember, your body was only trying to protect you, even though it ended up backfiring. Now you're avoiding public speaking because you fear another panic attack. That makes total sense. But here's some good news from modern psychology. We can retrain your body and mind step by step so that stage fright starts to fade away. You absolutely can speak in front of people again. Let's start with small steps. Step 1. Practice breathing technique. Try box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. This helps reset your nervous system. Do it daily, even when you are not anxious. You'll build a habit of calm. Next, visualization can be a secret superpower. Close your eyes and picture yourself on stage. Imagine the room, the audience, and most importantly, imagine yourself staying cool and confident. The brain can't tell the difference between real practice and vivid imagination. After that, try speaking in front of a mirror or record a short video. Talk about your favorite movie or a funny childhood memory. Watch it back kindly. Notice your strong moments. Celebrate each little win. The goal here is to make talking in front of the camera or mirror feel as normal as talking to your best friend. When you feel ready, ask a close friend or family member to be your audience. Keep it casual, keep it fun. Tell them it's a safe space, no judgment. Over time, increase your audience size. Maybe start with 2 people, then 4, then a small class. You see, each step feels manageable. Here's a powerful tip from cognitive therapy. Whenever negative thoughts pop up, like, I'll mess up again, challenge them. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have for that? Often you'll find there's none. Replace I'll mess up with I'm learning and I'll get better. Words shape your reality, and hey, let's add a bit of humor. Even Churchill got nervous. He once said, if you're going through hell and keep going, you might feel like you're in hell when you speak. But you're not staying there. You're stepping through, one breath at a time. So be sure towards the exit. Finally, give yourself credit for every tiny success. Did you breathe for 4 counts instead of panicking? Win. Did you talk to one person without freezing? Win. Celebrate those moments. Each one is a victory dance in your brain's chemistry. You've got the tools now. Breathing, visualization, small steps, positive self-talk, and a dash of humor. You stand daily, stay patient, and keep pushing your comfort zone in tiny increments. Your voice matters, your story matters. And soon, speaking in front of people will feel less like a mountain and more like a gentle hill. That's all for today, dear listener. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and know that Anthony is cheering you on. You've got this.